Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the results of the USDA October crop report. Well, they always give us something to trade, and certainly it was in the bean market. We kind of thought that they would come out with a lower carry-in because of the stocks report, but they really didn't change the demand at all. So for the beans, the crop is now 4.431 million bushels. That's exactly the same as September. They lowered the yield to 49.5, but they raised the harvested acres to 89.5. In the corn, the crop is 14,280. That's up almost 100 million bushels. The yield's 171.8. Again, remarkable considering that we didn't have a lot of moisture. And they did lower the harvested acres to 83.1 from 83.5. So as far as the bean carryout is concerned, the carry-in was 44 million bushels less. So the carryout's 45 million bushels less. 430 carryout is worth right now 23 cents in November beans. And I think right now we start trading the weather in South America. At 980, it seems to be kind of an expensive price for beans. Farmers should sell at these price levels. But if we have a South American problem, we will go higher. As far as the corn is concerned, these corn is kind of following, up 4 cents. What they did with the corn carryout was basically just adding that little number, 5 million bushels, to the carryout. We still have enough corn. Harvest is kind of winding down, and I really believe that even though we're in a carry market, we don't need to really take the corn market down very much. We don't need to rally it very much, but we also don't need to take it down very much. I guess the surprise in the wheat market was that globally, they increased world stocks by as much as 6 million tons. So one of it was in the United States, one was in Europe, one was in North Africa, and 2 of them were in India. So again, that's more wheat in the world that we have to deal with from a price standpoint. So USDA, with the lower bean carryout here, they didn't change the South American crops. They didn't change our export numbers. They didn't change the Chinese import numbers. Corn numbers are adequate, but I think we're close to a bottom in price. I don't expect much of a rally unless there's some type of South American problem. And then the wheat, there's just too much wheat in the world for the market to try to bounce off these seasonal lows. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.